Hello everyone, this is Winston and today is very happy day with Winston because I don't have any position on right now. I just closed the last one. And do you know that no position is a position? Do you know that no trade is a trade? Right, because no position, this means no risk to your account. And people said, "Oh, Winston, cash is inflation, right? You don't want inflation." But come on, USD inflation is like what 3-4%. If you don't believe it, it's about like 6% at most. And this happened over time, 6% annually. Not a day or a week with crypto or with stock. And second more, you have to have dry power. You have to have gunpowder to able to take the position when the time is right. Because the VIX, the volatility, is very high right now. It can swing a lot. It can panic like Sunday. And on Sunday, if you don't have cash, how are you gonna take advantage of that opportunity? And let's say Sunday we have a market up a lot, and you think it's unchaseable, and you want to short it. How do you short it if you don't have cash on hand, right? So no trade is actually a very good trade right now. And why I keep telling you guys to trade smaller. You don't have to trade every day. Just be patient, and especially with those who trusting Winston and invest in Winston, I genuinely appreciate it. We will get rich together, so don't worry. Be patient and let Winston execute it. All right, let's get right into it. On the screen, we have the panic on Sunday, right? Everyone panic. You see the red candle. Everyone is selling. Nobody want to hold anything. Everyone just want to hold what? Oil. Even with gold, which you thought it's a safe haven. And a war, right? So people want to hold gold. Look what happened. Damn. A red candle. How many percent is it? 3.5% for what? For safe haven. Come on, guy. And why is that? Because people have a lot of asset, right? They diversify. They have gold, they have silver, they have stock, they have bond. And when shit hit the fan, especially money manager and the risk manager will come and say, get rid of everything. I don't care if it's gold. I don't care if it's stock. I don't care if it's bond. I don't care if you think it's safe. If it's not oil, just sell everything. Alright, and then they sell everything. Yeah. Oh, silver. From the open, 5%. It's not too bad, but you know, still down. So look at oil. You got on the screen is the oil chart. Look at this. It's up from Friday and is up 31%, like in minutes, right? So I thought this looked like a blow up top. Everyone just buying oil, and think about it. So we have war going on, we have escalation going on. So the basic trade is what? Buying oil and sell everything. And it's worked last week, so people think it should work this week too. And no. If something is working but a lot of people already knows it and they want to trade it. It's become untradeable. With that thought in my mind, I buy stock. I buy stock here. And you see it's closely creeping up. Because like I said, market is not created to make you money. You can't just see the war is going on and I'm shorting stock and I'm buying oil and you have profit because market is like a total sum is zero. So if you make money, that means other people has to lose money, and it's not that easy to take other people money when other people already know the trade, right? So they are dumping stock, but it doesn't work on their favor at all. It keep ripping, it's ripping up, and then today another high. Yeah, but we close our position right here. Yeah, at 25.94. The reason that I have to close position because look, it's in the middle of the range. Yeah, and anything can happen right now. And we don't want that risk. We don't want a very profitable trade turn around and make even. We don't want that. So that's why I close the position and let the chart tell me what to do. Yeah, I don't try to predict the chart. I only predicting sentiment. So what happened today? We have Iran that said the Strait of Hormuz is still closed, and the US news that said the Strait of Hormuz is open again is fake news. Like I told you guys. Oh my god. I told you guys, one of US strengths is propaganda. There's a lot of fake news circular in our newspaper. So you have to be careful. You have to listen to other people show, all the sides show, like Iran, like China, like Russia, and see how people talk, because their side somewhat neutral and they can talk whatever they want, and they don't under US influence to have to tell good thing about US and bad thing about Iran. They can say bad thing about US too. Do you see a very interesting goal acting exactly like stock? they rise up on risk on information, and they down on risk off information. That's very interesting, because you would thought all gold and stock trade the opposite side. No, they trade exactly the same right now. Alright, we have oil. It's go down and then the fake news about the Strait of Hormuz, and it's ripping up. With Bitcoin, I told you is back off of the MA50, so it's expecting nothing damage to the chart. Then it went down and find support. And the very good thing about the chart right now is have higher low. Yeah, it's keeping making higher low. That's very good. But as long as it's keep in this box, it's basically still consider bear flag. So it's just consolidate. It's bearish for Bitcoin. It needs to break this box as soon as possible, and to the next target. So this way it will break this bar. It will neglect the bearish tone on Bitcoin. Okay, guys. So very short video today because nothing very surprise to Winston. We expect the SWE keep going, so the SWE keep going, and we have bad news in the middle of the day, and everything act like it's supposed to act. Stock and gold going down at the same time with oil going up. Every asset is just range bound, so they go up and down, go up and down, go up and down. And I still think no trade is the best trade right now until the extreme position start to happen, like Sunday. That's when we execute the trade. All right, that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow.